Very good afternoon to all respected students and my dear faculty members. Welcome to the fifth and final day of our faculty development program. Today's session primarily focuses on sustainable manufacturing, green production, and future trends in manufacturing. Generally speaking, manufacturing industries are rapidly transforming day by day in order to meet out the following expectations, say environmental, economic, and social expectations. Sustainable manufacturing is no longer optional, it has become a strategic importance for industries worldwide. In today's session, we will try to understand the basic importance of sustainable manufacturing principles, followed by what are all the various green production techniques that are adapted in industries. Then later we will discuss about Industry 5.0 technologies. Along with that, we will have a real world industrial case study. Let us begin our today's journey. So before going to start the main theme of the presentation, let us have the session roadmap. During today's session, we shall cover 6 major important topics. First, we will understand the basic concept of sustainable manufacturing. Second, we will discuss the green production strategies using the following framework called 6R framework. Third, we will explore the future manufacturing trends under Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0. Fourth, we shall analyze an industrial case study. Fifth thing, we are going to identify the student learning outcomes aligning to the program topic. Finally, we shall discuss the placement opportunities and industry expectations under sustainable manufacturing segment. Now, we shall move on to the problem statement directly. What is exactly sustainable manufacturing? What are its primary role and significant importance? Sustainable manufacturing refers to the process of developing goods or final end items that minimizes environmental impact while conserving energy and natural resources. The main objective is to balance the 3 major important dimensions known as the triple bottom line. These include people, planet, and profit. Organizations today adapt sustainable manufacturing because of regulatory requirements, resource scarcity, customer expectations, and the need to remain globally competitive. Sustainability helps the industry to reduce cost while protecting the environment and society. Next to the introduction, next followed by the introduction of sustainable manufacturing. Why sustainability concepts considered to be the most significant important today? Manufacturing contributes significantly to global carbon emissions. However, industries have tremendous opportunities to reduce their environmental footprint. Energy efficient manufacturing processes can reduce energy consumption by nearly 30 to 50%. Many industries are now adapting environmental sustainability goals initiative and sustainability reporting. Companies increasingly seek engineering graduates with the knowledge of sustainable manufacturing practices. Therefore, sustainability has become an important employability skill. The next module, we are going to see the basic introduction about green production. Under green production, we are going to discuss the following framework called 6R framework. What is exactly the 6R framework? Now, we are going to see one by one. Reduce, reuse, recycle, redesign, recover. These are the 6R framework under green production. Let us discuss the 6R approach under green production. The first one is reduce. It means minimizing the material and energy usage. Reuse involves extending the useful life of the products and components. Recycle focuses on recovering valuable materials from waste. Redesign encourages designing products for easier disassembly and improved environmental performance. Recover refers to reclaiming energy or useful materials from waste streams. Finally, remanufacture restores the used products to like new condition. Together, these principles help the industries to move forward towards a circular economy. The main concept of 6R framework is to make use of the waste material through recycling without polluting the external environment. From that, we can able to develop a useful product from the waste material. So this is the main essence of green production, saving the environment. What are the various green production tools that are used in industries? There are several practical tools support green production. First one is lean green manufacturing, combines waste elimination with environmental sustainability. Renewable energy systems such as solar power reduce dependence on conventional energy fuels. Water consumption techniques include recycling and closed-loop systems. Energy-efficient motors and smart monitoring systems reduce electricity consumption. Eco-design ensures products use fewer materials and are easy to recycle. These practices improve productivity while reducing environmental impact. So these are the various tools and techniques that are adapted under green production. Future trends in manufacturing. Manufacturing has evolved significantly day by day. Let us quickly go through the various industry revolution. Already we discussed the same in day one faculty development program. So the first industry revolution introduced the concept of mechanization. Second industry revolution enabled mass production through electricity. Third industry revolution brought automation. Fourth industry revolution introduced smart factories powered by IoT, artificial intelligence, and digital technologies. Today, we are in the era of Industry 5.0, which strongly emphasize human-centric, resilient, and sustainable manufacturing systems. The future is not only about just automation, but also about collaboration between humans and intelligent machines. So the next module, we are going to discuss about what are the various key enabling technologies that support the sustainable manufacturing systems. First one is artificial intelligence enables predictive quality control and demand forecasting. Industrial Internet of Things provides real-time monitoring of machines and energy consumptions. Additive manufacturing reduces material waste by producing components only when it is required. Collaborative robots improve flexibility and worker safety. Digital twins simulate manufacturing systems before implementation. Cloud computing and blockchain improve transparency and traceability across supply chains. These technologies are shaping the futures in the next industry revolution. Let us now understand the concept of sustainable manufacturing and green production with the use of case study. Let us examine a practical case study. Consider a medium-sized automotive component manufacturer faced rising energy cost, excessive material waste, and increasing environmental requirements from customers. To address these challenges, the company conducted an energy audit. They adapted a technique called lean green kaizen technique, which helps to reduce the waste which evolved in various forms. Next thing, they adapted solar energy systems followed by IoT sensors, which tries to continuously monitor the daily energy consumption and emissions coming out from the factories. This integrated approach significantly improved sustainability performance. So, followed by the problem description, let us now discuss about the measured impact or the case study outcome. The outcome of the case study were remarkable. Energy consumption per unit reduced by 28% after implementing the so-called lean green kaizen method, solar energy system, as well as IoT sensor. So, with the aid of these technologies, energy consumption per unit reduced by 28%. At the same time, material wastage reduced by 45%, carbon emissions decreased by 35%. So these are the several lessons that are emerge from this case study. So one important thing we have to know, always engage the employees in continuous development process improvement. Technology should support disciplined manufacturing practices. Most importantly, sustainability investment generate long-term financial benefits. Let us now focus from the student-centric point of view about the importance of manufacturing sustainability and greener production. So these are the following students' learning outcomes. After completing this module, students can able to develop the ability to understand the principles of sustainability manufacturing concepts, ability to apply the 6R framework in real life project applications, ability to interpret and evaluate various green production tools, developing the ability to understand Industry 4.0 and 5.0 technologies, interpret industrial sustainability data, develop industry-ready skills required by modern manufacturing organizations. So these competencies will try to improve employability and support lifelong learning from the student-centric point of view. Next, in terms of industry demand, I mean to say placement opportunities. Sustainability sector has created many exciting career opportunities. Graduates can become sustainability engineers, green process engineers, energy auditor or energy analyst, automation engineers, Industry 4.0 specialist, supply chain sustainability analyst. So every day industries increasingly recruit professionals who possess knowledge in energy auditing, lean manufacturing, IoT data analytics, and sustainability reporting. Developing these core competencies will significantly enhance placement opportunities in future. Let us now summarize the today's learning outcome. Sustainability manufacturing has become an essential business strategy. The 6R framework provides practical methods for reducing environmental impact. Industry 4.0 and Industry 5.0 technologies accelerate sustainable production. Real world case studies demonstrated the measurable improvements in energy efficiency, waste reduction, and carbon emissions. As educators, our responsibility is to prepare the students with these future ready skills. So we came to the successful conclusion of this five-day FDP program on recent trends in modern manufacturing systems. I extend my sincere, heartfelt gratitude to every participant for your active involvement and continuous support through this learning journey. Over the past 5 days, we have explored the transformation of manufacturing from conventional production system to intelligent, connected, and sustainable enterprises. On day one, we laid the foundation by understanding smart manufacturing and Industry 4.0 as well as 5.0 concepts, where digital technologies, automation, and human centric innovations are reshaping the industries worldwide. On day two, we discovered the role of AI, robotics, and digital twin and learned how intelligent decision making and virtual simulations are reshaping the manufacturing operations. On day three, we explored about additive manufacturing and advanced materials, understanding how 3D printing and innovative materials are enabling lightweight, customized, and sustainable product development. On day four, we focused on industrial IoT, data analytics, and predictive maintenance, where real time monitoring, connected machines, and data driven maintenance strategies help industries to improve productivity, reliability, and operational efficiency. Finally, on day five, we discussed sustainable manufacturing, green production, and future trends in manufacturing. So, this clearly emphasized the environmental responsibility, resource efficiency, the 6R framework, Industry 5.0, and the importance of creating manufacturing systems that balance people, planet, and profit. Together, these five sessions have demonstrated that the future of manufacturing is not driven by technology alone. It is built on innovation, sustainability, continuous learning, interdisciplinary collaboration, and responsible engineering. I sincerely hope that the concepts, case studies, industrial examples, and practical insights shared during this program will help you to strengthen your teaching skills, enhance your research for guiding your students' projects more effectively, and prepare them for the rapidly evolving industrial landscape in future. I encourage all the participants to continue exploring emerging technologies, engage in collaborative research, publish quality work, and contribute towards building smarter, greener, and more resilient manufacturing systems. My sincere thanks to all participants and faculty members for making this FDP a meaningful and memorable learning experience. Learning never ends. Let us continue to innovate, uh, inspire, and transform manufacturing education for the benefit of society and future generations. Wishing you all success, good health, and bright professional future. Thank you all.